Well, this is the house we're working on right now. We're in Harvey, Louisiana, Woodmere subdivision. We're changing out a bunch of wood and pressure washing. We're going to change a lot of lap siding. We're putting on the hardy board. Up there is Arthur. And we gotta change out some wood right there. That's all right. We took the downspout off while we were changing this wood right here. All this is changed about 5-6 boards all the way up. This side really needs pressure washing bad. It's all green. It won't be too bad. Gotta hurry up and get this job done. We're gonna put new shutters on.
Just straight bleach?
What's that?
Straight bleach or water?
Put about half and half. About half a gallon of bleach, fill it up with water. That'll work. That's Arthur's first day here on the job with me. We'll see how he works. We changed a little bit of siding over here. We had to change that 1x4 that goes all the way up. That was a little bit of a bitch. And a piece of corner triangle fascia board. They just raised this house. They're doing a lot of that here in South Louisiana, all over New Orleans. Can't understand why they're gonna do that kind of lift, putting all that money out, fixing all everything, and then fixing all the levees. Put all that money out, the government did, and then they're going to come back and spend money on raising houses. It's kind of like they don't trust themselves, I guess, the levee board here in New Orleans. This is Mikey. Tell you what, he's one of a kind. He's kind of like Shine on Bluetooth. Blue Road. That's my Shine right there. Very goofy guy. Got him back here pressure washing. Arthur bought a pressure washer today and it don't work. He bought his pressure washer. If you don't mind, pressure wash the house. I'll tell you what. Get that guy. They're gonna put all bleach on the house. Changed out a triangle piece right up there. And that light was actually pulling down the top of that. It's embedded up in there. This is a project that we started last week. This is that noise right here, you hear, that's the pressure washer. Nice house. Gonna make it better. This is Rick's carpentry job. This is Rick's carpentry job over here. There's the sign. There's the sign right there. Been since 1982. The motto is, no job too small. If it's wood, we can do it. Check with you later.